So I'm going to teach you how to use a really cool customizable function on your iPhone you're probably not already using. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your device plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you know when we release some good, useful content. So with the advance of iOS and the new iPhones, the control panel has become really cool and a really useful tool for a lot of people to get a lot of different shortcuts to apps that they may use on a daily basis. But did you know that your control panel is pretty much fully customizable? You can put different apps there that aren't there currently for you to be able to gain quick access to those apps. All you really have to do is go into your setting, go into Control Center, and go into Customize Controls. Once there, you have a list of different applications that you can add to your Control Center to gain really quick access. And also, if you're looking to do a screen record is already here. Normally, sometimes it's off by default, so a lot of people don't have it on. If you do ever want to record your iPhone screen, this is definitely where you would find the app to do so. So available apps that can be added are under the More Apps section, and all you have to do is tap that little green check mark to add them to your control panel, back out to the main screen, pull down your Control Center, and you have your apps now available at the touch of a button or at your fingertips. So get in there, start customizing to your liking. Remember, the phone is yours and you want to make sure it suits your everyday needs. So if you guys have any questions about different features on your iPhone, share those in the comment section below the video. Also share your favorite feature of your iPhone or iOS in the comment section as well. I'll be glad to hear it. This video is going to be how to use the Apple AirDrop feature on your iPhone and Mac. And this video is something that YouTube believes you would enjoy watching. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notification, and until next time, peace.